Hey YouTube, Robert here from Hitch to Horsepower, and today we're gonna buy a whole lot of diesel. We're at right at 25% fuel according to the Edge. You know, just says just under a quarter on the tank. 693.6 miles so far on this tank, and we're gonna fill up and show you kind of the downsides of the Titan tank. You know, it's a little bit of a pain, but I'm happy to have it. And we'll see how many hundreds of dollars this cost me. So I'm at a Wawa in Prince Frederick, Maryland, and it is actually relatively cheap. I normally don't go to Wawa, but I needed fuel. I got the trailer with me, and this is where I could stop. But anyway, it is $4.43 a gallon, which I've been seeing $5 to $5.15 mostly, even $5.25 and $5.50 in a couple places. But we'll fill this up and see. One thing with this this tank, it likes to kick fuel out. It has a very skinny area where it goes under a cross member, and so there's some breather hoses and things to keep it, but it does tend to just build up some air pressure as it's trying to fill the hose, fill that front area. It should be a little better here because I am on a hill going down, so it should fill that front tank first. You know, we'll see how it goes. But normally it cuts off about 10 to 15 gallons before you're actually full. So it does take a little time. You know, part of me wishes I had the 100-gallon in bed tank, but as you can see right now, I have a bunch of stuff in the bed because I'm helping a friend move. The trailer's full too. So yeah, and you can see the bed cover rolled up. It rolls up pretty nice, gets just about completely out of the way. So anyway, we're up to $93 so far, and less than halfway there. See how it goes. Well, it showed up at 100. There's 150, and we're at 35 gallons. So again, this tank holds 62 total. So I could start to hear it coming up. So we're getting close to the $200 mark and 40 gallons. So you see a little bit of a flash, but now we just got to do it slow. Yeah, this does get a little annoying, but again, it's a whole lot better than stopping. We got almost twice the fuel, and yeah, I think I'm also going to try putting the rear tire up on when I'm not on a hill like this. All right, well that's $200 worth. So let me put the card back in for a third time. All right, so we're at about 44 gallons. We might be just about full. It is hard to tell in this tank. We're just over 200. It actually let me run my Discover card 3 times. Normally cards only run twice. But let's see how much more we get in after it bubbled up and clicked off a few times on me. I know this is riveting YouTube content, but well, there's $210. I can't believe I found a station at $4.43 a gallon. And usually I go to Shell because I have a Shell credit card, and that gets you 10 cents a gallon off. You know, Sheets and Royal Farms, stuff that gives you 3 cents off with their regular rewards cards. Shell will give you 5 cents a gallon off normally without any credit card, just free, their free rewards program. One thing also I do is that, you see I wrap the cap over the top there, That's for when it does, sometimes it really spits out and will spit out all over the side of the truck. So I try to keep it from getting all over the cab, because I got to touch that. And again, a lot of times I wear gloves, but I'm going to go in and wash my hands because I got to go to the bathroom. Well, I think we are just about done. We put 5 gallons over what we thought was full. And I know 2 minutes worth of me topping off. But, yeah. $226 of fuel. And that at the cheap station. I won't say it, never mind. I was going to say something, but you don't watch this for political stuff, you watch this for trucks. So, anyway, thank you. Let me finish this up, and I'll let you know what our total is. We have $100 for 22.528 gallons. We have another $100 for 22.528 gallons. And another $31.07 for just over 7 gallons. So $231 at $4.43 a gallon. That's 52.236 gallons. So if we then divide that by 694.4, this isn't super accurate because again, filling it up completely is a little tough. And this is a mix of trailer driving and some just unloaded. But I can't complain. 13.293, would be nice. 13.293, blah, blah, blah. So just over 13 miles a gallon for, again, a mix of trailer driving, enclosed trailer, and you know, some unloaded. But anyway, thanks for watching. You see how, you know, if you want one of these underbed tanks, you do have to work a little bit harder at the station, but I do believe it's worth it. You know, my mercury gauge says full, my gauge on the edge says full, and the funny thing is it will say 100% for like the next 100 some miles. I'm gonna try to see if we can get that reprogrammed, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's a weird angle. Please like and subscribe. I know I haven't put a video out for a while. I had a pretty nasty cold. And we'll get some more going on soon. Thanks. Bye. Quick little afterthought. Yeah, the average miles per gallon on the computer says 14. 13.2. It's a little optimistic, but not too bad for the computer. Anyway. I like being able to drive 700 miles on a tank while pulling the trailer, and I'd like to be able to pull more than that, but, you know, considering 52 gallons, I had another 10 gallons to go, I'm happy. Anyway, thanks again. Bye.